अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप सब? आपको गिफ्ट्स देना पसंद है? जी जी, आई नो, गिफ्ट्स लेना तो आपको पसंद ही होगा, बट मैं ये पूछ रही हूँ कि आपको गिफ्ट्स देने भी तो होते हैं कभी कभी। एंड क्या आपको पता है हु डिजर्व्स आवर गिफ्ट्स द मोस्ट? आवर पेरेंट्स, देन आवर फैमिलीज एंड फ्रेंड्स। स्टूडेंट्स, do you know that when you truly love someone, you feel very happy giving them gifts? It doesn't matter कि गिफ्ट जो है वो बहुत महंगा है या सस्ता सा, इट्स द जेस्चर दैट काउंट्स। हमारी आज की स्टोरी भी कुछ ऐसी ही है। द नेम ऑफ द स्टोरी इज द गिफ्ट ऑफ द मेजाई, written by O. Henry. It involves two people who love each other very much. And even though they are very poor, they still spend whatever they had to give a gift to their significant other. चलें, let us look at some of the unfamiliar words and their meanings first. हमारा आज का पहला लफ्ज है shabby, which means in poor condition through long use or lack of care. For example, please throw away this shabby old shirt. You've had it for years now. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है dressed in old or worn clothes. For example, the police suspect that shabby man who was snooping around here earlier. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है mean, despicable or contemptible, which is related to behavior. For example, I guess you're feeling pretty bad about your shabby behavior the other day at the party. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है ill-kept or untidy. For example, she was ashamed to invite company over at her shabby one-room apartment. इसके कुछ synonyms हैं dumpy, scrubby, dog-eared, rundown. इसके antonyms हैं new, smart, spiffy. अगर हम इस वर्ड की हिस्ट्री और इटिमोलॉजी में जाएं तो इट कम्स फ्रॉम एन ऑब्सोलीट इंग्लिश वर्ड शैब, मीनिंग अ लो फेलो. इसके कुछ नियर बाय वर्ड्स हैं shabbiness, जिसका मतलब है द क्वालिटी ऑफ लुकिंग ओल्ड और इन बैड कंडीशन बिकॉज ऑफ बीइंग यूज्ड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम और नॉट बीइंग केयर्ड फॉर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द shabbiness ऑफ द हाउस मेड एवरी विजिटर फील अनकंफर्टेबल. इससे रिलेटेड कुछ idioms हैं not too shabby, जिसका मतलब है to be quite good. For example, so what do you think of my new dress? Not too shabby, हाँ. इससे रिलेटेड कोट हो सकता है wise kings wear shabby clothes and leave the gold lace to the drum major. हमारा अगला लफ्ज है agile, जिसका मतलब है to be able to think and understand quickly. For example, Aristotle had quite an agile mind. इसका मतलब ये भी है to be able to move quickly and easily. For example, for a 9-year-old, he is quite agile for his age. इसके कुछ synonyms हैं graceful, nimble, lithe. इसके कुछ antonyms हैं awkward, clumsy, klutz. अगर हम इसकी हिस्ट्री और इटिमोलॉजी को देखें तो इट इज borrowed from मिडिल फ्रेंच एंड लैटिन. इट इज borrowed from the Latin word agilis from agere, which means to drive, be in motion, do and perform. इसके कुछ nearby words हैं agility, जिसका मतलब है the ability to move or think quickly. For example, you have to admire her for her agility. इससे रिलेटेड idioms को देखें तो एक idiom है as agile as a monkey, जिसका मतलब है to move as quickly and freely like a monkey. For example, the way she is jumping all those hurdles, she is as agile as a monkey. इससे रिलेटेड कोट हो सकता है in order to resist injuries and stay healthy, you have to be mobile and agile. You have to be able to have your body work for you. हमारा अगला लफ्ज है course, जिसका मतलब है to gently and persistently persuade someone to do something. For example, you could coax her into doing the cooking today. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है to obtain something from someone by gentle and persistent persuasion. For example, we got to coax the tickets for the new movie from our parents. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है to arrange something carefully into a particular shape or position. For example, look, my lovely hair have been coaxed into these lovely curls. इसके synonyms हैं persuade, wheedle, cajole, lure. इसके antonyms हैं intimidate, coerce, impel. अगर हम इसकी हिस्ट्री और etymology में जाएं तो it comes from an earlier word coax, meaning simpleton. इसके कुछ nearby words हैं coaxing, जिसका मतलब है persistent gentle persuasion. For example, having stage fright, she refused to go up on the stage in spite of everyone's coaxing. इससे रिलेटेड एक और nearby word है coaxial, जिसका मतलब है having coincident axes. For example, the whole coaxial arrangement is enclosed within an outer protective insulating jacket. इससे रिलेटेड idiom हो सकता है to coax something or someone into doing something, जिसका मतलब है to convince or persuade someone to do something. For example, it takes many snacks to coax my kids into going to school. इससे रिलेटेड idiom ये भी है to coax someone or something out of something, जिसका मतलब है to convince or persuade a person or animal to exit something. For example, how can I coax my kids to get out of bed before noon? इससे रिलेटेड कोट हो सकता है Temptation coaxes us towards sin. हमारा अगला लफ्ज है faltered, जिसका मतलब है to lose strength or momentum. For example, the car's engine slowed, faltered, then started again. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है to speak hesitantly or weakly. For example, he was so nervous that his speech faltered a lot. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है to move unsteadily or hesitantly. For example, he started to walk towards the dog, faltered, then turned around and ran away. इसका मतलब ये भी हो सकता है to hesitate in purpose or action. For example, he never faltered in his determination to succeed in the family business. इसके कुछ synonyms हैं hesitate, waver, tether, halt. इसके कुछ एंटोनिम्स हैं डाइव इन और प्लंज. अगर हम इसकी हिस्ट्री और एटिमोलॉजी में जाएं तो इट कम्स फ्रॉम द लेट मिडिल इंग्लिश, परहैप्स फ्रॉम द वर्ब फोल्ड, विच वॉज ओकेजनली यूज्ड ऑफ द फॉल्टरिंग ऑफ द लेग्स और टंग. इसके आगे हम लगाते हैं TER एज इन टॉटर. इसके कुछ नियरबाई वर्ड्स हैं फॉल्टरिंग, जिसका मतलब है मूविंग और स्पीकिंग अनस्टेडीली और हेसिटेंटली. For example, she kept telling her story with a faltering voice. इससे रिलेटेड idiom है falter in something, जिसका मतलब है to waver or fail in regard to something. For example, I have never once faltered in my duties. इससे रिलेटेड quote हो सकता है even the best of us can falter in the face of an insurmountable task, but that does not mean we should accept defeat. हमारा अगला लफ्ज है instigate, जिसका मतलब है to bring about or initiate an action or event. For example, the government should instigate new measures to kill unemployment. इसका मतलब ये भी है to incite someone to do something, especially something bad. For example, the protesters should not instigate any violent acts. इसके कुछ synonyms हैं incite, provoke, urge. इसके कुछ एंटोनिम्स हैं dissuade. अगर हम इसकी हिस्ट्री और इटिमोलॉजी को देखें तो इट कम्स फ्रॉम द लैटिन वर्ड instigatus, which is the past participle of instigare. इसके कुछ nearby words हैं instigator, जिसका मतलब है a person who causes something to happen, especially something bad. For example, the instigators of the violent protest have not been arrested yet. इससे रिलेटेड वर्ड एक और भी है instigation, जिसका मतलब है द एक्शन ऑफ कॉजिंग एन इवेंट और सिचुएशन टू हैपन by making a set of actions or a formal process begin. For example, the only reason I became a lawyer was upon the instigation of my parents. इससे related quote हो सकता है, war should be made a crime and those who instigate it should be punished as criminals. Students, let us look at a brief idea about this poem now. The Gift of the Magi is a short story about love and sacrifice. इसमें there is a poor couple who sells what both of them cherish the most, only to buy a gift for the other person. Della, the wife, sells her beautiful long hair to buy an elegant chain for a watch that her husband Jim owns. And Jim, on the other hand, sells his watch to buy an exquisite jeweled combs for Della. At the end of the story, when they reveal the gifts to each other, they realize that the gifts are useless at the present. But they are still happy because this gifts produce just how truly and deeply they love each other. Student, ये जो story है, आपको पता है what does it teach us? It teaches us love and sacrifice. चलें, let us test ourselves now. Question number 1. The writer of the story, Gift of the Magi, is A. O. Henry, B. Wordsworth, C. Virginia Woolf. The correct answer is A. O. Henry. Number 2. The couple's names in the story are A. Della and Jim, B. Angelina and Alan, C. Della and Alan. The correct answer is A. Della and Jim. Number 3. A synonym for falter is A. Incite, B. Dissuade, C. Hesitate. The correct answer is C. Hesitate. Number 4. The word agile means A. To gently persuade, B. To lose momentum or speed, C. To be able to move or think quickly. The correct answer is C. To be able to move or think quickly. Number 5. Della sells her dash in order to buy a gift for her husband. A. Watch, B. Hair, C. Shoes. The correct answer is B. Hair. Students, अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.